camper van update. We are doing these new headlights, projectors. But check out how easy this is. So here's the new one. There's the old one. I'll show you real quick. We have a bezel. There's 4 Phillips head screws. You can see 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom. Pull this out. And here's the connector in the back. Doing this one-handed. Okay, pop out that connector. Okay, see, just like that. And stuff it back in there and then put the bezel back on. Check that out. That is crispy. Van looks 20 years newer now. Peace.